Welcome to another episode of Science Explorers, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the fascinating world of science. I'm your host, Quark Boy. Today, we have an electrifying topic to discuss, the history of the electron. So, let's dive right in. The electron is a tiny particle that plays a crucial role in our understanding of the physical world. But where did it all begin? Well, the story of the electron starts in the late 19th century with the work of a brilliant physicist named J.G. Thomson. Thomson conducted experiments with cathode rays, which are streams of electrons emitted from the negative electrode or cathode in a vacuum tube. By studying the behavior of these rays, he made a groundbreaking discovery: the existence of the electron. Thomson's experiments led him to propose a new atomic model known as the plum pudding model. According to this model, the atom was thought to be a positively charged sphere with negatively charged electrons embedded within it, much like raisins in a pudding. This groundbreaking idea laid the foundation for further research on electrons. Fast forward a few years to the early 20th century, and we encounter another remarkable scientist, Ernest Rutherford. Rutherford performed the famous gold foil experiment, where he bombarded a thin sheet of gold with alpha particles. What Rutherford observed during this experiment challenged the plum pudding model and revolutionized our understanding of the atom. He discovered that most of the alpha particles passed straight through the gold foil, but a few were deflected at large angles, and some even bounced back. Rutherford proposed a new atomic model called the planetary model or the nuclear model. According to this model, the atom consisted of a small, dense, and positively charged nucleus at the center, with electrons orbiting around it like planets around the sun. This discovery paved the way for further investigations into the behavior and properties of electrons. As scientists delved deeper into the nature of electrons, they realized that these particles possessed both particle-like and wave-like characteristics. This revelation brought about a new branch of physics called quantum mechanics. One of the key figures in the development of quantum mechanics was Erwin Schrödinger. He formulated an equation known as the Schrödinger equation, which described the behavior of electrons as waves. This equation provided a mathematical framework to study the behavior and energy levels of electrons within atoms. Over time, scientists discovered that electrons occupy distinct energy levels or orbitals around the nucleus. These energy levels are often depicted as electron shells, with the closest shell to the nucleus having the lowest energy. The arrangement of electrons within these shells determines the chemical properties and reactivity of atoms. Today, we continue to explore the electron's properties and its role in various scientific and technological advancements. From electricity and magnetism to electronics and semiconductors, our modern world owes much of its progress to our understanding and manipulation of electrons. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the history of the electron. From J.J. Thomson's discovery to the development of quantum mechanics, we've witnessed the fascinating evolution of our understanding of this fundamental particle. Join us next time on Science Explorers as we delve into another captivating topic. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of science.